Hi, I'm Don LaChance from Vickar Chevrolet in Winnipeg, Manitoba. We're just here to talk to you a little bit about our project car. This guy's 1970 El Camino. It's got a 71 front clip that we're looking at putting back to the 70 original dual headlights. The big reason for us on this car is that we want to modernize it. It's got a 350 engine underneath the hood now, runs and drives very strong, but what we want to do is you get that gas smell, you got to go pump the pump and you lose a little bit of the enjoyment of the car. And yes, it sounds great, but what our intentions are is we're going to go and do the GM Connect and Cruise program. This car is going to get modernized with fuel injection. It's going to get the Connect and Cruise 480 package. So what that includes is a 495 horsepower LS 376 cubic inch engine, fuel injected. It's going to get the 4L70 transmission with upgrades. So you get that modern smoothness and very good fuel economy, just like the new cars get now. You're not going pump to pump. So that's one of the things. The other things we're going to do is we're going to go to the Hodgkins suspension, because you'll see during our test drive how floaty the car is. What the Hodgkins suspension is going to do is just lower the car a little bit, give it a much smoother, much more aggressive feel when we're handling and packaging, and not floatiness in the car, which is pretty impressive. So we just wanted to let you know what we're up to. And as we go along during the year, we're going to be changing and taking videos of the suspension upgrades, the engine changes, and then hopefully this time in spring, because it's a beautiful fall day here in Winnipeg, in spring we'll be able to bring you back here and show you what is done and what the performance is of this car and what we're capable of doing at Vickar Chevrolet. This is a 1970 El Camino, and what we're doing right now is we're taking it out for a drive, because these cars are beautiful. They drive nice and smooth. They're usually quite fun to drive, but as you can see, I'm moving the wheel back and forth and the car hardly moves at all. So what our intentions are is you're going to see me turn right away and you'll see how much this wheel turns. And our plan is we're putting a Hodgkins suspension underneath it to modernize the vehicle. And what it's going to do is it's, instead of this big rolly turn that we're doing right now, you can feel that. But what the car is going to end up doing is it's going to turn on a dime, just like the brand new Camaros do. You're not going to lose the beautiful ride that you get, but yet when you go side to side, this car is going to go side to side like this. It's going to hug the road. It gives it a newer, lower appearance. Sorry about that. But it just gives you a modern feel to the suspension and the ride. It's unbelievable the change it does, because we did this on a Chevelle already once. So now on the El Camino, we're going to do the same thing. So it gives you that nice, plush, lovely, smooth ride that you get out of these older cars, but yet modernizes it.